To conduct an RPA, Robotic Process Automation, feasibility study, you'll need to assess whether your organization's processes are suitable for automation and determine the potential benefits and ROI, return on investment, of implementing RPA. Here are some steps to guide you through the process. Identify processes for automation. Identify the business processes that are repetitive, rule-based, and can be easily automated. This could include tasks such as data entry, report generation, or invoice processing. Analyze the processes. Conduct a detailed analysis of the identified processes to determine their suitability for automation. Assess the process complexity, volume, frequency, and error rates. Evaluate the technology requirements. Determine the technology requirements needed to implement RPA. This may include software licenses, hardware requirements, and security considerations. Estimate the ROI. Calculate the potential ROI of implementing RPA by identifying the costs associated with the process before and after automation. Consider factors such as labor costs, error rates, and processing time. Determine the scalability of the solution. Evaluate the scalability of the RPA solution to ensure that it can handle the anticipated volume of transactions. Consider factors such as the number of robots required, the scalability of the software, and the available infrastructure. Develop a project plan. Develop a detailed project plan that outlines the scope, timelines, and deliverables of the RPA implementation. Consider factors such as project risks, resource requirements, and training needs. Pilot the solution. Conduct a pilot of the RPA solution to test its effectiveness and identify any issues or areas for improvement. By conducting an RPA feasibility study, you can determine the potential benefits of implementing RPA and assess whether it is a suitable solution for your organization's processes. This will help you make an informed decision about whether to proceed with RPA implementation.